Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to customize or edit dock in your Mac. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, in order to customize dock, first you need to go to system settings, which you can find in dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system settings. Once you open system settings, look for desktop and dock option. And if you select that, you get all the settings related to dock. So this is one way to get to this page. Another way is you can simply point your cursor over here at the dock and you can right click over there and then you can select dock settings option, and again it will take you to desktop and dock page. So we are going to talk about all these settings over here. Let's start with the first customization option, and that is related to size. If you want to increase or decrease dock size, you can move this toggle like this. Now you can see I have increased the dock size. But if I don't want maximum size, I can just simply decrease the size of it by moving this toggle. So this is for size. Next option is magnification. Now in my case, I have kept it off, but currently you can see even if I point my cursor, I'm just able to see app name, but there is no magnification effect. So if you want a magnification effect, you can move this toggle like this. And now if I point my cursor to any of the app on dock with app name, I'm able to see magnification effect. You can also increase it. If I keep the toggle to large, this is the maximum magnification effect I can get. But if you want to decrease it, you can move this toggle over here, and currently you can see there is magnification happening, but it is in small amount. So you can choose the magnification effect depending on your requirement. I usually prefer it to keep it to off. So yeah, these are the two settings. Next is dock position on screen. In my case, I have kept it at bottom, which is shown over here. But if you want to keep dock towards left or right side, you can select this drop down. If you select left, dock will appear on left side. If I select right, it will appear on the right side. If you want to keep it at the bottom, you can select bottom option. Next is minimized window animation. So if I minimize this settings window for now, you can see how the animation looks like. It is genie effect, which is this one. If I want to change the effect, there are only two options. One is genie effect, another one is scale effect. If I select scale and if I minimize the settings window now, you can see how the animation looks like. So you can choose whichever effect you want. I usually prefer it to keep it on genie effect because this looks cool. So yeah, you can also customize this window animation. Next option is minimize windows into application icon. So if I minimize this settings window, it will go back to its icon. But if you don't want that, if you want to minimize it separately, then you can simply turn off this toggle. And this time, if I minimize settings window, you can see I'm able to see the dock settings option over here. So it has not minimized in app icon, it has minimized separately. So if you want it, you can turn off this toggle, but if you want the window to minimize in app icon, you can simply turn it on. And if I minimize the window right now, again it has gone back to app icon. So these are some basic settings you can do. Next is automatically hide and show the dock. Now currently you can see no matter on which page I am or what I am doing, dock is visible continuously on the screen. So if I don't want it to be visible each and every time, I can simply turn on this toggle, and what will happen is now currently you can see dock is gone or it is hidden. Whenever I want to access dock, I can simply move the cursor down over here and then I can access dock, and whenever I'm not using it, it will hide itself or it will go down. So yeah, again you can turn on or off this toggle depending on your requirement. Next is show indicators for open applications. So what will happen is you can see there is black dot below settings and below Brave browser, which means these applications are running in the background or I'm using this application. But if you don't want this black dot to be visible, then you can turn it off, and now you can see black dot is gone. But I would recommend you to keep this on because you will be able to identify which application is in use. Next is show suggested and recent apps in dock. So if you want suggested or recent apps to be visible in dock, you can simply turn on this toggle, and later on whenever you're using any application, it will be displayed over here. If you don't want it, you can turn it off. So these are some basic settings over here which you can do in terms of customization for dock. Another thing is suppose if you want to add any application to dock, or if you want to remove any particular application from dock, then what can you do it? Suppose if I want to remove App Store from dock but not from my Mac, then you can simply right click on that application, and then if you go to options, you get an option of remove from dock. Now if I select this option, what it will do is it will remove the application from dock, but the application is still present in my Mac. So if I open applications, or even if you open Launchpad, you will be able to see that app over here. So if I search for App Store, you can see App Store is there in my Mac. Similarly, if you want to add any application to dock, then in that case, click and hold the application and drag it to dock and leave it. Then you can add the application to dock. So these are some customizations option related to dock. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.